Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Brix's Loft. I am going to let out 9 old birds and 23 young birds. Alright. Here we go. So a few more in here. Let them all come out. Let's go. This one is always the last one. So here comes a big flock. They're learning how to group together. That's what I like. Let's see where they are. I'm liking the way they're grouping. I don't know why these guys aren't going yet, but maybe these guys are the youngest. Well, let's not force them. Oh, I'm loving the way they are flocking. Come on, guys. Go and follow them. Nope. Oh, they're getting way up high now. That is good. Oh no, don't split, don't split. Oh, one already fell behind. Oh, and he's back to the flock. Except these ones. These ones aren't flying. Well, that's it, you guys. Friday would be the race, and it is well, Tuesday today. Tuesday afternoon. And they're already split. They're splitting up now. They split it into 2 flocks. Alright, guys. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe.